my ankle has gotten a grade 2 ligament tear.
अंकल के
तो
एंकल
जब
को
मैं
क्या हुआ लिया? ग्रेड
ग्रेड
टू?
टू? इज ग्रेड
हाँ
टू बैड
हाँ, आई
और
न्यू इट, दैट्स
ग्रेड वन
व्हाई।
इज बैड ना इन
ये जो
मेडिकल टर्म्स?
रिएक्शन था ना, दिस इज व्हाई आई स्टार्टेड
वंस
बाय सेइंग ग्रेड 2, बिकॉज अदरवाइज इफ आई सेड एंकल स्प्रेन ना, तो ए काका क्या हो गया, अंकल चलने को
हाँ,
दे ना,
ब्रो
छड़ी
क्या
ले ले
चल रहा है?
अंकल।
अरे उठा नहीं, ज्यादा
अंकल
देर
अंकल
कुर्सी
के
पे बैठा रह
एंकल
रहा है।
अंकल के एंकल दुख गए। अभी क्या तेरे को सच बोल,
इसीलिए
ग्रेड टू हुआ है?
ग्रेड 2 है तो।
तू खुद ही ये अपने आप को प्रिस्क्राइब किया तूने? खुद का एनालिसिस है कि तू गया डॉक्टर के
नहीं
पास?
यार, तीन
क्या
लोगों ने
कैसे
बोला
हुआ?
है, एक मैंने, एक एआई ने, और एक फिजियो ने, ठीक है। तो तो वी
हाँ।
वी वी ऑल कंकर दैट इट इज अ ग्रेट टू।
तो क्या
सो
लंगड़ रहे तू, लंगड़ लंगड़ के चल रहा है
ए
कि क्या?
फुल लंगर्स, फुल लंगर्स। So few things, basically what happened is, origin story of this ankle twist.
सी व्हाट यू डिड देयर ब्रा।
हम्म।
मतलब तू टॉपिक को स्वेग्वेजित करने के लिए तू जाके ग्रेड टू एंकल फ्रैक्चर लेके आया है भाई। ये
see
बोलती है
see
कमिटमेंट, तो बोलता हम लोग
see
कमिटमेंट नहीं, ये कमिटमेंट है।
a good screenwriter knows that every scene should be doing multiple things, okay?
या
यस।
देख, तूने चालू किया पर्सनल स्टोरी से, उसके अंदर तूने डाला वो जहां से कनेक्ट हो रहा है आज के एपिसोड का टाइटल, ओरिजिन स्टोरीज ऑफ थिंग्स। तो वाओ गाइस, वी
तो
हम लोग मेहनत करते हैं, ठीक है। हाँ बोल फिर।
तो बेसिकली क्या हुआ कि आई वाज heading to a friend's birthday party, okay, and the rapido, he left me, predictably, he left me like 50 meters away from the venue. So I get out and I'm looking up where the thing is, and I'm on my phone, so I'm not looking at the road, like cardinal mistake. So the BMC had strategically deployed a pothole right in front of
हम्म।
me. So फुट गया, ऐसे ऐसे लैंड हुआ है और फिर ऐसे हो गया है,
अरे
ठीक है।
ओ ब्रो,
यार।
एंड
मत बोल,
एंड
सुन के दर्द होता
all the
है।
ligaments here ना, ऐसे all the ligaments, they have just held on like Spider-Man holding that train together.
ओह
They're just
शिट,
they're
ओह शिट।
बट काला
खिंच
हुआ तेरा
गए।
पैर, काला हुआ?
So now
भाई
wait,
टूट
so
गया है, काले से क्या
now,
फर्क पड़ रहा है?
तो ये हो गया, ठीक है। So I've screamed and yelled and then held my foot and hopped to the side, and then just like massaged my ankle and waited like a few minutes. After that, I've put my foot down gingerly. It's pained a little bit, but because of the adrenaline of the body or whatever, like I could walk on the thing. Okay, so I thought, oh, I could just walk it off. Maybe it's not as bad as I thought. गया हूँ पार्टी में,
ये
एंड
रेड्डी के बर्थडे पे?
हाँ
अबे
हाँ,
तू निकला उसके बाद में पहुंचा?
पता है
हाँ।
सो
तो तू लंगड़ा
आई
था पूरा टाइम उधर?
नहीं, दैट्स द थिंग। सो
खड़ा होएगा कोने में।
at that point in time, completely fine. Now there's a reason that people say dawa daru, okay, because
हम्म।
रेड्डी के पार्टी पे दारू, so daru has further numbed foot, okay, so
तू
I've
नाचा भी
gone
होगा,
home.
फिर नाचा भी होगा।
But only upper body because I'm bad dancer to begin with, so thankfully not too much load.
हाँ।
But got home, okay, that night went to sleep, no problem. Next morning, I wake up and my ankle is screaming at me, okay? It's yelling like it's
Motherfuck!
become exactly like it's stinging, okay? And it's swollen and it's bruised, like it's like a red,
Oh.
like different shades of pink, purple, like that. So and मैं खत्म हो गया हूँ, okay, now I've and it's really bad when like I had to go to the loo, okay, and I've hopped, okay, and Siddhi has looked at me just hopping, and she's like, wow, this is a new low.
और तेरे पीछे ईरा ईरा कर रही है, शी इज डूइंग द सेम थिंग। आज कुछ नया गेम पापा ने बनाया।
तो yeah, so basically now the fun thing is कि I call the physio. Physio is like, yeah, this looks like a grade 2 ligament tear. And she's like, so earlier they used to recommend that there's a thing called RICE, rest, ice, compress, and something else. There's a
मेरे को लगा
four
चावल है
step
भाई।
process.
या
नहीं, four step
चावल में,
process
जैसे फोन
to
को फोन को चावल में डालते हैं ना पानी में गिरने के बाद, पैर को भी चावल।
उसने कौतुक को बोला है, कौतुक राइस, हाँ ठीक है, कौतुक चावल खेलते जा रहा है। इट्स नॉट हेल्पिंग। एक्चुअली राइस इज
नहीं, she
ऑल्सो
said
गुड बिकॉज
rice.
तू तू ज्यादा राइस खाएगा, फिर तेरे को नींद आएगी, नींद आएगी तो तू सो जाएगा, तो ऑटोमेटिक हो गया रेस्ट। तू वॉकिंग करेगा ही नहीं, पूरा टाइम और ही
Yeah,
रहेगा
but
तू.
then you're increasing your
But
weight, so then there's more weight on your ankle.
so now here's the surprising part. So here's what she told me. She's like, so earlier we used to prescribe rice. Now we tell people to load the ligament. So basically, you are supposed to rest, like don't overdo it, but functionally keep moving because it apparently helps if you keep moving.
Hmm.
And then the next thing she said is कि I would just advise you go get a ankle का compressor from Blinkit क्योंकि मिल जाता है 10 मिनट में आ जाएगा तेरे घर पे.
अबे तेरे को एंकल मिल जाएगा अगर तू थोड़ा ढूंढनेगा ना, ढूंढना नया एंकल ब्लिंकिट पे, वो
There'll
भी
be a
आके
surgeon.
खटाक कोई फिट भी करके
अबे
जाएगा तेरे को.
अर्बन क्लैब पे सर्जन आएगा तेरे घर पे अपना टेबल लेके, अपना खुद
अबे
का
सर्जन नहीं,
टेबल लाइट.
वो एक सज्जन है, सज्जन. सर्जन नहीं.
but realize two things, dude. One, fuck, you take your body for granted fully. Secondly, the world is not designed for anybody with like meaning at least Mumbai is not designed, it's not disabled friendly at all, right? So हर जगह like
अबे it's not able friendly.
it's not able friendly, disabled.
It's not
Correct,
able. Mumbai is not
correct,
able to do
correct.
anything that you
कुछ भी
expect
नहीं.
from a big
No,
metro.
and you get into a rickshaw, right? And the rickshaw is damaging your foot in a different way now because that is going over potholes.
And
तो
your
जब वो हिलता है
spine.
ना,
And your spine. By the way, do you know the origin story of pothole? So
चलो
British time पे,
ए रुक
British
रुक
time
रुक रुक
पे.
रुक ठाकुर
Let's just start the
पहले
show.
बोल दे इंट्रो.
चल ठीक है, 3, 2, 1, go. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Said So, a show every day random regardless of facts, as one of the stories, and we talk about it. And today's episode is we're going to be discussing unbelievable origin stories of everyday things. Okay, so I was telling you about
Yes.
pothole. So basically, British time pe, it was mainly the British administrators who were looking at all the infrastructure that was being done at that time. One such place in Maharashtra, they had then started giving it to Indians. The Indian guy who was in charge of that road used substandard material, and udhar aise
नहीं
khadda ho gaya which they had never seen. And that guy's name was Ab Pothole, P-A-T-H-O-L-E. तो उन लोगों ने बोला, what is this? This is that guy's fault. So hence this is called a pothole. They don't know it's
No.
pothole.
No, you made this up. You made
shit.
this up. ठाकुर, you
ये
look at
झूठ
him, look
बोल
at his
रहा है, ये
face.
झूठ
Look
झूठ
at his
बोला है,
face.
झूठ. अब
Look
पॉटहोल
at
है.
his face.
The पॉटहोल है.
Pothole. Almost sold it. Almost sold it. Fuck.
मैं
No
उल्लू
wonder
बना.
he didn't do the intro before this.
Yeah,
Wow,
yeah.
not worth the intro. This
मेरे को लगा
guy.
चल ऐसे करते करते फिर बोलूंगा कि हे गाइस, ये तो झूठी ओरिजिन स्टोरी थी,
But-
रियल ओरिजिन
but-
स्टोरीज हम करने वाले हैं.
But guys, please write in comments commitment to gag because
Yeah.
Thakur didn't break character. He said, ठीक है, मैं करूंगा पहले intro to sell this gag. Well done.
कमेंट पॉटहोल.
Also,
पॉटहोल है. हाँ.
also, by the way, the other thing that gave it away was the use of ab. क्योंकि तू आब कहीं और भी डाला है, कोई तो किसी
अरे
का
यार,
नाम था.
आप पातड़ हगे,
अब
वो मेरे
पातड़
दादी का
हगे,
ऑफिस में
अजीत
काम
सीधा
करता था.
अजीत पटोले करता ना, we wouldn't have
Ah,
like मैं तो
हाँ
काफी
यार.
उल्लू बना. मैं काफी हद तक I was with Thakur on this.
या मैं उधर हक दिया
पटोले.
क्योंकि वो मेरे दिमाग में वही एक नाम चल रहा था, आप पातड़
Yeah,
हगे,
yeah.
एक्चुअल रियल नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन हु वर्कड इन माय दादीज ऑफिस.
And if you are ab pathadage, please write it is I.
I
In
don't
the comment.
think so. If you are the next of kin of Abha Pathar, please.
If you're a smaller pothole, if you're a
No, bro, that is Pathar Hage. Pathar is liquid and Hage is shitting.
Pathad
Liquid
is
shit.
liquid, huh?
हाँ,
Yeah.
Pathar is
Oh.
like patla.
Oh,
Patla Pathar. Hage is body.
unbelievable.
So if you are the young liquid potty, let us know. But before that, guys, origin story of another show is a show we do called Postmortem. Uski origin story ये
Yeah.
थी that on the podcast we started postmorteming different Bollywood movies. उससे याद है कि भाई इतने पुरानी मूवी पे करते हैं तो नए मूवी पे क्यों नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए बनाया हमने एक बहुत ही बढ़िया शो जिसका नाम है Postmortem. We are on tour across all of India in June. Tickets are already up. Early birds are sold out, तो फटाफट ले लो. और उसके बाद हम लोग इंडिया के बाहर भी आने वाले, उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा
Yeah.
टाइम रुकना पड़ेगा, टिकट शुड बी अप फॉर दैट एज वेल, तो प्लीज फटोफट ले लो। चलो भाई, चालू करते हैं आज का
चल,
एपिसोड। बताओ क्या क्या ओरिजिन स्टोरीज तुम्हारे पास
क्या
है।
क्या सुनना है तेरे को, वो बोल तू।
हाँ,
चल,
तू
ऐसे
बोल ना,
ऑप्शन
क्या
है क्या,
सुनना
सिलेक्ट कर सकता हूँ
तू
क्या?
उंगली रख, तू
अच्छा
उंगली
है
रख, बताता है तेरे को ओरिजिन।
है?
ये।
Okay, so I think I want to start with one which I found very interesting. So
हम्म
there was this guy called William Moulton Marston. All right, now
हम्म
he was a psychologist who had a very important role in he basically invented a thing called the systolic blood pressure test. Okay, which
हम्म।
is a main component in the modern polygraph, aka the lie
lie
detector
detector।
Oh.
test. And but he is known for something else that he created, okay, that became even bigger and still has earns billions of dollars. So
बट
he
मेड आउट ऑफ दैट
created he,
सेम थिंग।
no, he inspired by the thing. He invented a superhero. कौन है ये सुपर हीरो?
उसने क्या बना, लाई डिटेक्टर।
Yes, he
कौन?
basically created a superhero who has a prop
ओ,
which
मैंड्रिक।
once
Oh, Wonder Woman.
मैंड्रिक।
no, no,
Wonder Woman.
yes, it's Wonder Woman. Other is
वंडर
right.
वुमन।
So Wonder Woman has a lasso of truth. So if you get caught in it, you are compelled to tell the truth, just like Mr. Marston's other invention. But it blew my mind that the dude who invented the lie detector test also invented Wonder Woman, meaning the
Which one did he
range
invent
of this
first?
man.
Did he invent the lasso and he said, अरे भाई इसका अगर मैकेनिकल वर्जन बना दो तो मजा आ जाएगा, कि उसने पहले लाइट डिटेक्टर बनाया फिर बोला चल इसको एक सुपर हीरो बना देता तो
हाँ,
मजा आएगा? क्या किया उसने,
I
कि दोनों
I have a
साइमल्टेनियसली
feeling.
किया उसने?
No, but also, by the way, props to this dude. Can you imagine? He public, like the range of this man's personality, right? Like many people must be coming to him going like, sir, आप जब काम नहीं करते तो क्या करते हो? And he's like, क्या बताऊं मैं तेरे को?
हाँ हाँ, and so he didn't choose to make the whip BDSM or anything like that, not sexual, इससे तो सच बोलेगा।
सच बोलेगा।
इसको झूठ बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद भाई। इसको पूरे टाइम सत्य,
Unbelievable.
सत्य हरिश्चंद्र।
Unbelievable.
Bro,
Yeah.
I just saw one thing that said, can you guess? Chal, the invention is chainsaw,
हाँ,
but
Hmm.
long before it was used to fucking cut wood and like big trees and all of that jazz. What do you think the chainsaw was used for?
Wait.
What it was
It
actually
was
must be some like
created for?
household, some really stupid household thing जिसके लिए कैंची काफी होती, but somebody invented a chainsaw.
सब्जी काट रहा है
हाँ,
एक
सब्जी
टाइम
काट
पे,
रहा है पब्लिक, like something
उसको
that was
पाव
very
भाजी बनानी है और
simple.
उसने बोला सब
Like,
सब्जी अगर एक साथ काट दूं तो
yeah,
कैसे
a
होगा?
lot of these motorized inventions are invented because there was a very simple task at home that you wanted to do, but इसको मेरे को I want to amplify this and make this simpler. तो उसमें क्या, motor, diesel and
अबे
power.
तो उसने मिक्सर बनाया ना। You won't believe that the chainsaw was first invented in the late 1700s to help during childbirth. Difficult pregnancies needed
wow.
the pelvis to be a little bigger. तो
Wow.
पब्लिक ये लेके आ गए। I was like, how does that even work? सब्जी काटा समझता हो, ठीक है, मतलब तू चूतिया है, बट तू इंसान, you're cutting the woman. I don't
No,
know how
this is
that
such a
works.
But it's for the
such a
bones.
male
Like,
mind.
yeah, this is like,
This is such a male mind at work. कि बेबी निकालना है, like it's a result oriented mind, right? कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है? प्रॉब्लम है कि बेबी निकालने का है, ठीक है, तो
हम्म।
क्या प्रॉब्लम है? तो वो काटना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, काटना है ना, रुक मैं आता हूँ
काटना है
6 महीना
काट दे।
बाद।
So it
प्रॉब्लम
was
तो
made by
सबको
two Scottish doctors, John Aitken and James Jeffrey. And this is the early version of the chainsaw. Because ये इन लोग का जो version था वो small hand crank version, मतलब it's not like वो
oh,
अभी जो ऐसा आते हैं ना
because
कर
हाँ,
इतना बड़ा।
everybody's assuming it's the, हाँ, because you think ऐसे
No ना।
sterile environment बनाया पूरा hospital
और
में, and then suddenly तुम्हें gas guzzling grrr.
तू ऐसे ग्रर कर रहा है और तू ऐसे उठाता है उसको, which is at least about 3 to 4 feet, and then you
Bro,
just come. What do you expect is going to happen? उसका एक obviously छोटू hand वाला version था to make it easier for.
You think women back in the day were like, actually, doctor, I don't want that procedure. Is there?
Yeah, what is the
Can you?
procedure to change this procedure? I don't want
Yeah.
your chainsaw.
People suddenly stop coming to the hospital for any kind of childbirth.
Yeah.
They're
It's like,
like,
would
पता
you
है क्या
like
वो hospital में
natural birth, water birth, or chainsaw? It's like, I think,
Chainsaw.
let me think about it.
तो सर ये लास्ट वाले में चांस ऑफ सक्सेस अबाउट 4-5%. अभी अर्ली वर्जन है. साइन मी अप फकिंग हेल.
Okay, so like in the 1800s, there was a Swiss physicist, okay, and this guy wanted to, because chemical warfare was a genuine concern. So this guy wanted to detect
yeah
something that could let like soldiers or people know that, oh, this is poisonous gas is coming towards you. So it gives you an intimation to have the mask pehno bhago. And he just could not get it to work. There's like a sound that would come and it would detect. नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है. So he got so frustrated. He's like, he need a break, and he decided to light a cigarette and just take a break, and it started beeping, and that's
Oh.
how he got the smoke alarm, which
Oh.
which everybody has
Wowee.
been
So
trying
what
to
was
avoid in
initially
hotel
for
rooms.
sarin gas is now hard. That's
But also
crazy.
the like the fact that he discovered it doing the thing that it was meant for is so beautiful कि भाई सिगरेट फूकते हुए पता चला उसको कि ये चलता है. What a perfect proof of concept. By the way, other the thing that you were talking about ना कि when
हाँ
did they realize or how did they realize? I've got the perfect invention for you.
हाँ
Okay, कि how public को समझा ही नहीं कि उन्होंने क्या बनाया था. तो बेसिकली
Hmm.
द ईयर इज 1733. ओके,
Hmm.
बहुत बहुत साल पुराना. And there was a Duke of Devonshire. Now, the Duke had kids, and he's like, yeah, I pass the time by getting into my carriage and like, सैर करता हूँ, सैर सपाटा. But my kids, poor things, they are nothing for them. So the Duke called an architect and he said, make my kids a carriage in which they can ride. So this architect makes this little carriage, right? And it's like, it's got wheels and it's got a thing. And it was built in such a way that you could fasten it to a goat or a pony. And then the pony would do tuck, 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 and the kids would go in the carriage at the back. And goats would do that, and the kids would enjoy. So it took 100 years for someone to realize, bro, you know what? I can cut out the goat, I can cut out the pony, just add a handle, and a human being could push them. And that's how the stroller was invented.
I
A
don't know why
hundred years.
every time there's a goat involved, somebody is like, we can cut out the goat. पहले पहले goat
That
पहले
serves
goat
its
को
purpose better
sacrifice.
as biryani. Okay. You can push.
So
You
now
can push
you
those.
got a baby carriage and biryani. This is double whammy.
Bro,
नहीं
and
बट मेरे को बोल ब्रो तेरे को मजा नहीं आएगा कि चल तू ईरू जब छोटी थी और तू स्ट्रोलर में लेके जाना है कि एक पोनी लेके जा रहा है उसको तेरे बाजू में ही चल रहा है वो.
अबे goat,
तो अब
goat is way funnier.
ही इज नॉट डूइंग इट फॉर फनी. ही इज डूइंग इट फॉर प्रैक्टिकलिटी कि वो गोट या जो भी एनिमल पुल कर रहा तेरे बाजू में ही है. ठीक है तू फोन पे पॉटहोल में गिरने के पहले और साइड बाय साइड. Why not, bro? I still wouldn't mind कि अपने साइड में जब तक चुपचाप चल रहा है ना भाग नहीं जा रहा है तब
so
तक चलाओ ना
I
उसको.
I have a feeling they will or they must have already invented the automated stroller, which is connected to your phone with Wi-Fi
Yeah, and वो
or
GPS से तेरे को follow
Bluetooth or
करता है.
GPS or whatever.
हाँ.
And as you're walking through the mall, it always ensures that it is within 2 feet of your phone. So वो खुद ब खुद ऐसे ही चलते जाएगा. I don't know, man. If this is not
Okay,
invented,
this
please
is
let
the
us know.
Tesla. So what if it connects to another person's phone and you get somebody else's baby and वो उसका baby तेरा तो mall में you know how many of these strollers will be in a mall if this is possible and the amount of cross connection that can happen.
This is the everyday प्रियदर्शन फिल्म कि लोग सिर्फ
Yeah.
भाग रहे हैं और स्ट्रोलर इधर उधर जाते हैं.
देख,
अरे ये मेरा है.
एक कोई फॉरेन
ये
कंपनी
मेरा
कुछ
baby है.
बनाएगी बहुत महंगा 500 लाइक $5,000 या $1,000 का कुछ और फिर एक देसी कंपनी बनाएगी पटोड़े पटोड़े टाइप बंदा एक बनाएगा सेल्फ
Wireless
स्ट्रोलर
baby carriage.
वायरलेस बेबी कैरेज.
वायरलेस बेबी एक वायरलेस बेबी है.
Wireless baby.
मे बी खुद ही अपने आप को वॉक पे
You
लेके जा
know,
रहे
no, and it'll be manufactured by boat. Okay, तो बोट का एक
हैं बोट बेबी.
जाएगा जो बोट नहीं, so it pairs with your earphones. ठीक है, तो जब तेरा ईयरफोन, जब तक तेरा ईयरफोन चल रहा है तेरा बेबी कैरेज चल रहा है. ईयरफोन डेड, बेबी
मतलब
कैरेज
15 मिनट में
डिस्कनेक्ट.
बंद हो जाएगा तेरा, क्योंकि बोट का बैटरी लाइफ बहुत ही कम.
The worst thing is suppose you're going on a slope and वहां पे तेरा फोन डेड हुआ. फिर पीछे
आई
So
थिंक
like,
अगर तेरा ये एक पैसे का भी अगर तू ऐसा आदमी है ना, तो तू बच्चे मत करो.
but automated baby carriage चाहिए यार लाइफ में. It just comes, it just is कि तेरे साथ. और and you know it compresses into a small like briefcase. तो बटन लगाया,
हम्म.
पट 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 पट, फिर बेबी डाला
हाँ.
और चलते गया.
अच्छा तुझे ट्रांसफॉर्मर चाहिए.
Please.
सो नाउ देयर द चांस के यू कैन क्लिक दैट बटन और वो कोलैप्स भी हो जाए विद द बेबी. नाउ दैट्स एन एडेड.
कोलैप्स हो जाए.
बोल रहे बिकॉज हिज लॉजिक इज के ऐसे खट 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 करके बन जाए. सो देयर इज अ चांस कि वो बच्चे को डाल के खट 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 करके बंद भी हो सकता है.
नहीं तो बंद करके प्लेन बन गया, सीधा उड़ के
नहीं बोट
ऊपर,
ना,
बाय
इट्स
रू
बेबी
बाय
मेड बाय
पापा.
पापा
बोट.
जब पे.
अरे बोट
खिड़की से
बनेगा ना वो.
अंदर. ये ना बच्चे की बात करें, यू नो टेडी बेयर. अपन
हम्म.
सबके पास एक टेडी बेयर था ना, बचपन में था कि नहीं तुम लोग के पास
मेरे पास अभी
टेडी
भी है.
बेयर?
अभी
अच्छा,
हर
नहीं, I
तुम्हारा
never
अभी
I
नहीं है.
never was
कार्निवल
a
पे एक तो
teddy
टेडी बेयर
bear.
खरीदा जाता है.
I
ब्रो
was
आई
never a
हैड
teddy
वन.
bear. But I was, you know what I was? I was I had a
पैंडा.
leopard, a stuffed toy leopard. I had a
हाँ.
leopard.
तो
Hmm.
मेरे चाचा मेरे लिए लेके आए टेडी बेयर, और करण के लिए था एक पैंडा. ठीक है, तो मेरे
Hmm.
टेडी बेयर का नाम है था बुब्बू, क्योंकि मराठी में बुब्बू बोलते हैं. ठीक है, तो बुब्बू था. आई टू लव दिस guy, which is why this fact is quite insane to me. So the way the teddy bear came into being is American President Teddy Roosevelt
Oh
in
yeah.
1902 was on a hunt where he decided to spare a, a छोटू टेडी, वो छोटू बेर, बेर कब बेसिकली वो मारने वाला था, उसने
About
बोला
a
नहीं मारूंगा.
shooter.
तो उसने
Yeah.
पूरा रेडी किया, बट ही डिडंट डू इट. उसके टाइम पे ट्रैवल कर रहा था, उसके साथ कार्टूनिस्ट क्लिफर्ड बेरीमैन who saw the teddy and he sketched the teddy bear out. Then a toy maker called Morris Micton, okay, he made a teddy bear, stuffed it, and called it Teddy's Bear. It was for
Oh.
Teddy Roosevelt.
And then it came to
That's a
India and became teddy bear.
टेडी
beer.
बियर.
And teddy bear, and dude, the way that the teddy bear latched itself to Valentine's Day and all of that shenanigan that comes with it, it's crazy. Like,
But I think ये उन लोग ने ना बेयर
बट
एसोसिएशन में
वैलेंटाइंस डे
अपना इमेज
इटसेल्फ वाज अ
इमेज
स्कैम ना. वैलेंटाइंस डे
इमेज
इज
सॉफ्ट
अ
करने के
स्कैम.
लिए दिया था.
हाँ.
पीपल वर गेटिंग स्कैर्ड ऑफ बेयर्स इन द वाइल्ड, तो टेडी बेयर एसोसिएशन ने बोला कि भाई अपने को थोड़ा एक इमेज वाइट वॉशिंग
राइटली
चाहिए.
सो.
तो
राइटली सो.
अपन एक ऐसे क्यूट बन जाते हैं, तो क्या है, अपना खाना चल के आएगा खुद अपने पास, अपने को भागना नहीं पड़ेगा. सब देख के बोले अरे पापा टेडी बियर, और भाग के देखा पे मत जाओ उधर. तो शाणे है भाई बेयर, ऐसा ही
So you are
नहीं.
telling me this entire teddy bear conglomerate is run by
इज
actual bears?
इज रन बाय एक्चुअल बेयर्स.
Good.
या.
wait, I
नो
have to, I
अंडरएस्टिमेट
have
देम.
to tell you, I have to tell you a fun one. So, what happened is, there was a gold rush, okay, back in the day in America.
Hmm.
तो पब्लिक पहुंच गया था गोल्ड रश. किसी को भी बोला ना कि गोल्ड इधर है तो पब्लिक आ जाता है उधर ऐसे. So lots of people went to try their luck in the gold rush, and this one particular dude rightly remembered that when there is a gold rush, the only people who make money are the people selling the spades. So he realized कि bro, there's a gold rush. These fuckers who are out there, they will need places to stay. तो ये बंदा अपना ही यूज्ड टू मेक कैनवस टेंट्स एंड वैगन कवर्स. सो पूरा बोरिया बिस्तर सब सप्लाई लेके पहुंच गया उधर, right? And when he went there, he realized nobody fucking wanted his bullshit canvas to stay in. So he's like, fuck, what do I do? Because he had all of this inventory, right? So he's like, fuck, अभी टेंट नहीं बना सकता, इसका क्या बनाऊं? तो देखा कि when as he looked around, he saw that all these fucking gold rush fiends, they were all wearing clothes, and as they were wearing the clothes, they would start digging for gold, and the clothes would invariably tear. So he put two and two together. He's like, bro, एक second, इनका कपड़ा फट रहा है, मेरा कैनवस का टेंट फटता नहीं है, तो व्हाट इफ आई मेक क्लोथ्स आउट ऑफ माय
Yeah.
कैनवस टेंट? ठीक है, तो उसने he started making overalls etc for these guys who were in the gold rush,
Hmm.
and that dude's name was Levi Strauss.
Or
Oh,
So
jean pant.
Levi Levi was
उसका
उसके
कैनवस
टेंट
का
Levis,
पीछे
टेंट,
गया
Levis,
था
हम
वो तो।
लोग तो हम लोग
Levis,
टेंट पहन के
Levis.
घूम रहे हैं सब लोग।
हाँ,
So
लेविस
later
था।
later
फिर उसका एक सस्ता वर्जन था स्पाइकर। लेकिन स्पाइकर अटक गया कौतुक
अरे
एज
भाई,
ऑलवेज एट द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम।
उसका 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 एक I heard Spiker.
हाँ,
स्पाइकर। हाँ।
But the fact that this dude was like, this is the other thing that is in common with all these inventors. They have an incredible flexibility of mind, a nimbleness of being able to pivot. Right? They come with whatever, but they don't just go back disheartened कि अरे no one bought my tent. They are
हम्म।
like, मैं कैसे अभी improvise करूं? How do I yes and the situation and turn this into a profit? And that's another thing that's in common with any of these people and all of these the startup guys as well, right? Like they all start with one thing, then they realize छोड़ ये नहीं चल रहा है, then they just straight hard right. They just send
हम्म।
one email out to everybody. Hey guys, from today we are now going to
आज से ये है।
say yeah, and then they just move on with life.
या
So,
ब्रो।
but
by the way, so
I
sorry,
feel
just
like it was slightly, हाँ बोलना, sorry Gautam, हाँ
sorry, I just want to complete the tent story. So Levi
हाँ,
Strauss first was selling his tent, okay, and people were buying it up also because functional चीज था कि फट रहा नहीं है कपड़ा.
हम्म।
Later, he switched the canvas because after a point, I mean, how many people can you sell a canvas tent to as clothing? So he
हम्म।
switched it to a ribbed cotton that was coming from a place called Nimes in France. So therefore,
oh, and denim
of
just
Nimes,
means off nim.
yeah, denim.
डेनिम।
So
डेनिम। ओ
denim.
प्रफुल डेनिम मतलब अरे डेनिम हमसा।
Ah.
फ्रांस में
Literally,
फ्रेंच में द को क्या बोलते हैं? डी। और वो जगह का नाम क्या है? नीम। डी नीम डी नीम। ओ भाई
Oh.
साहब।
you are so
दो
intelligent,
हजार
Prabhu.
एपिसोड किल।
Yeah.
बाय द वे
So
चल।
मुझे नहीं,
बचपन।
I have a big this thing. Is it as that I feel these guys had it easier. Like when you would go like, oh shit, इसने क्या तो invention किया. I don't think you can do it now.
ऑफ कोर्स यू
Like,
कैन।
no, it's the thing is
What?
there was more stuff to discover. Okay, so the guy who made the Velcro, okay, this guy goes in a forest, okay, and he sees he gets these like there are plants that are sticking to his clothes,
हम्म।
and then he takes the plant, उसको microscope के नीचे रखा, and he realized it has these hooks that were connecting to the other fabric of his clothes. So he's like, oh, I should make these tiny, tiny hooks, and that becomes Velcro, which got used by NASA, blah, 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 सब कुछ हुआ. But it's finding something that was very, like, it was there, and अच्छा, इसको मैं practical world application. Like, that is, I think, lesser now. You have to go way out of your way to do it. Now, the pehle, like petroleum jelly, the guy went to an oil rig. He saw that all these guys, it was a side thing. It was a rod wax, Joe, from the drilling. So every time these guys would get a cut, they would use that and cover their cuts. And then this guy just made it, he clarified it instead of making it that dark goop, he made it clear, and that became Vaseline petroleum jelly.
या
So it's all stuff
Vaseline.
that is happening, and then उसको immediately practical
By
world
the way,
application. So
इट्स
जितना हो
जर्मन
सकता
ना
था हो
बिकॉज इट
गया.
कम।
किसी को हाँ नोटिस
वैसा
नोटिस
वैसा
नोटिस
कम्स फ्रॉम जर्मन वर्ड वासर पानी।
Hmm.
वहां से आया। सम जर्मन गाय डिड दिस ना आई रिमेंबर सीइंग दिस।
this is another like sort of adaptation, right? Adaptation story. So there was a guy called Charles Babier. He was in the French army. So Charles basically was confronted with a very big problem, which was that they were sending out messages to soldiers. Okay, but sometimes those messages would reach the soldiers in the night, right? And
हम्म।
this being back in the day, soldiers didn't कि अरे लैंप लगा देता हूँ देखता हूँ क्या है इधर, right? लाइट लगा
हम्म।
देता हूँ. So soldiers for finding it very difficult to read in the dark. So
हम्म।
this Charles Babier came up with a system, okay, where he put like this sort of like code on the paper, which you could just read through touch, right? So now this code that he has developed, it was really complex because it was being used for military purposes, for soldiers to decode messages, but into 6 dots and created the Braille system.
Braille. Bro, there's half
Yes.
half of the origin stories of things come from that also, right? So you see the space race happened, उसके वजह से अपन 10 चीज invent किए. War is one of the most popular things to
War
have certain
invention.
origins of things. Like for example, sanitary pads didn't exist then. World War के टाइम पे जब तू कटरा वटरा है ना देखो, तो immediate blood soak करने के लिए उन्होंने बनाया था. Then somebody saw this and said, oh wait, you can also use it during your period.
Where have I seen blood before?
Yeah.
Like one of those.
वहां से आया. There's so many, bro.
No, it was they made it for World War, and then after that Akshay Kumar found it, and then Akshay Kumar said,
And then he did toilet.
Ah,
No, toilet नहीं क्या था वो?
Padman.
Padman.
And then he said, "This
Padman.
is what this will be used from now on."
Okay, to take you away from war. बचपन में
तो
अपन वीडियो
एक
गेम खेलते थे. अपना एक फेवरेट गेम था मारियो ब्रोज. देखो थे मारियो ब्रोज, मारियो लुइजी
Yeah.
दोनों को मूंछ काहे है? Because in the 80s
मूंछ काहे है?
when it was made, Nintendo didn't have the technical wherewithal to animate mouth and
Mouth.
lips.
Which is still a
So
problem.
how do you give the impression of an actual face happening without seeing the thing? इससे तो सीधा मूंछ डाल दे, बाकी का imagination public कर लेगी देखते वक्त. तो
That's
इसलिए
why the
it's
mustache
so
is so big.
iconic. तो
Yeah.
इतना बड़ा है कि you just assume कि हाँ उसके पीछे है,
नहीं
लेकिन
नहीं यार, है ही नहीं कुछ.
छुपा
when they
दो
started,
So the
that's how
other,
it started.
so the other really fun this thing was, so that was in the 1980s, this doctor, he creates what he claims is a cure for diarrhea, indigestion, and jaundice. Okay. And
Widely different.
Oh, is it the same
Diarrhea
thing?
I
बहुत
get.
बहुत बहुत अलग चीजें, but he's like, bro, and this was the time in the world where people just came up with miracle cures and were
This
like,
is like
"Correct."
men's all-in-one shampoo,
Yeah,
body wash, conditioner.
bro, people were just inventing things. Yeah, they were putting cocaine and soda,
But
and
that's
they're
what I
like,
mean.
"पी ले यार, सब
That's
cure
what
हो
I
जाए."
mean. Now there's so much
Yeah.
you don't hear all these random things coming through now.
Yeah, FSSAI wasn't there basically.
Yeah.
Like no one was checking. There was no food pharma. There was just
It's like, ये सोडा में मैंने
So,
कोकेन डाला है, तेरे को कैसा लगता है? अरे मस्त है भाई.
Are my hangover, my headache, everything's cured. So, dude creates this medicine, says, bro, have it. You get these small red pills, you take it, and it cures your diarrhea, indigestion, jaundice. तो बहुत टाइम लगा, बहुत टाइम before people said, bro, you know what? This doesn't cure anything, but it tastes great. Sandwich पे लगा के थोड़ा. So what he had invented was ketchup.
Oh, wow.
And this doctor's name fittingly was Dr. John Cook.
John Cook. Bro, so it's funny you mentioned tomato ketchup. ठीक है, because तू ketchup किसके साथ खाता है? Sandwich कैसे बना? Sandwich ऐसे as a concept नहीं था किधर. But in the UK there was the Earl of Sandwich. I think they would still say, like, how you have GREE and WICH, they call it Greenwich. I think it is Sandwich. But the place is called SANDWICH. The Earl was a gambler. ठीक है, तो उसका आया आदमी, बोला कि सर खाना तैयार है, खाना खा लो. तो उसने बोला मेरा गेम चल रहा है, मैं उठने नहीं वाला, तो एक काम कर, तू थोड़ा मीट ले और 2 ब्रेड के बीच में डाल के लेके आ, ताकि एक हाथ से उसको खा सकूं और दूसरे हाथ से पत्ते खेल सकूं. और किसी ने देख के बोला, सर इसके ऊपर अगर अपन सबवे लिख दे तो कैसा हो?
But मुझे I don't हाँ one second, the logic of एक हाथ में ये और ये, couldn't he just order a table on the side where तू एक bite ले and then continue playing your cards?
देख भाई, वो अर्ल है, ठीक है, उसने बोला उसको वो करने का, अर्ल ने बोला ब्रेड के बीच में डाल के दे, तो ब्रेड के बीच में डाल के दे. सी ऐसा कर दे ना, तो सैंडविच तो ये भी कर सकता है, खाना खाने के लिए तेरे को रखना पड़ेगा बाजू में, फिर
Yes.
चम्मच चाकू लेके तू ये कर रहा, क्या हुआ, अरे सॉरी क्या डाला तूने, 1 मिनट भाई मैं अपने,
Meaning,
ये सब टाइम नहीं है बॉस, वो
no, no,
कर।
other, you're asking very valid questions, but what you're not factoring in is the depth of the addiction. Like,
हाँ
so for a real gambling addict, meaning all this, like, मैं cards नीचे रखूं? पागल है क्या? I have a fortune to lose. So, but other, the thing I wanted to ask you was, so this
हाँ
ketchup, first he came up with tomato pill, okay, which
हाँ
was his medicine, and then it became ketchup. You were showing me something which was just so markedly unusual, a new adaptation of
dude,
ketchup, which
it's insane. So
I want Varun and our watching public to please,
तू
please tell us your thoughts, because when you see it, I had a very strong reaction to it.
ऑफ व्हाट
okay,
You
so
see it now. You see the new
Heinz
invention.
has just released so you have, it's all convenience, right? What did the Earl of Sandwich want? He wanted convenience. And one problem
Correct.
with sandwiches is that तुम खाते हो तो केचप ऐसा गिर रहा है सब जगह, तो you've overdone
कैसे
it.
खा रहा है भाई तू?
अरे but you don't know ना, you don't know the exact portion of the ketchup. Heinz has fixed that problem with the ketchup slice.
Oh, it's the ketchup slice.
Like a cheese slice.
देख अभी गलत लग रहा है पर थोड़े टाइम में सही लगेगा.
देख मैं वैसे केचप का दीवाना तो हूं नहीं, ओ डूड दैट, ओह फक,
It
भाई
looks
half the
like the
taste of the
ketchup.
food comes with how it looks, so it has
It's
to
the
look
it looks
like,
like जो केचप जो केचप के बॉटल पे जो ऊपर जम जाता है ना,
it looks
उसको
like
निकाल
somebody
निकाल के.
sat on a blood bag. तू डोनेट करने गया तो तू थोड़े टाइम बैठ जाता हो, बेटा पूछा क्या हुआ भाई, अरे सर सॉरी, एक काम कर उसको ब्रेड के बीच में डाल,
That's
disgusting.
a separate
That
product for
is,
vampires. That's a separate product for vampires so that they can make a
but
blood
yeah bro,
sandwich.
that's fucking nasty,
but
yuck.
but I must say, I think utility and functional wise, I think it's a great idea. But
It
what
is.
Thakur is saying is correct. कि visually, aesthetically, it looks so disgusto.
But it's not
ऐसे
made for that. It's meant for people who don't have time. It's meant for parents who just want to slap a couple of pieces of meat, डाला उसके ऊपर चीज डाला, ब्रेड डाला, बच्चे को दे दिया. बच्चा भी देख रहा नहीं है खाते वक्त स्कूल में, टेस्ट सेम आ रहा है. क्या टेंशन है माँ बाप
देख,
को?
आई डोंट थिंक इसकी जरूरत थी, क्योंकि अगर जो भी सैंडविच बना रहा है उसके पास टाइम है कि हे मैं केचप लेके ऐसा एक बार स्प्रेड कर देता हूँ, कुछ इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है भाई कि उन लोग को ये टमाटर का स्लाइस जो भी है बनाने की जरूरत पड़ी. प्लीज, दैट लुक्स फकिंग, you have, it will take as much time to just take one ऐसे and just put it on your bread, right? कितना टाइम
Put
बचा रहा है
it.
तो एग्जैक्टली
अरे but you
ये
don't know
मतलब
the
किसके
exact
लिए है कि तू
portion.
अगर भाग रहा है पूरा टाइम, तू मैराथन कर रहा है और जाते जाते अरे कोई ब्रेड दिया तो कोई ये दिया, कोई
One
वो दिया,
second.
ब्रेड डाल के खाया
One
और तू
second.
कंटिन्यू, फिर
तू
सब्जी.
मैराथन खाते भागते टाइम देखो सैंडविच चाहिए.
अबे लंबा, अगर मैं वो वाला खेल रहा हूँ पुराने
क्योंकि
जमाने
तू
का भाई,
मैराथन भी भाग रहा है और तेरे हाथ में पत्ते भी हैं, क्योंकि तू गैम्बलर भी है, तो
खेलते
इसीलिए
खेलते
तेरे
खाते
को
खाते भागूंगा.
अब
वो
पानी
नहीं,
पानी कहाँ से पकड़ेगा? पानी के लिए अलग से एक वो लगा हुआ है तेरा
पानी
स्ट्रॉ.
पानी कोई देगा ना तेरे
नहीं
को
चुते,
साइड
पानी
से.
कोई दे रहा है ना, मैं आ करूंगा से वैसे,
और
एक
जस्ट टेल
लाइन
देम
में
पुट अ
लोग खड़े रहेंगे.
वाटरफॉल. यू विल रन अंडरनीथ अ वाटरफॉल फॉर 3 minutes.
हाँ, व्हाट, नो,
ऐसे मुंह पर रख वाटरफॉल के नीचे.
आई एम डूइंग द रनिंग वर्जन ऑफ टूर डे फ्रांस.
अच्छा.
अरे भाई उसका मैंने
अच्छा
देखा बाय द वे, तो मिलिंद
क्या?
सोमन का, सॉरी टॉकिंग अबाउट पीपल हु डू शिट फॉर नो रीजन, ये स्विम करके गया ना टिप
What?
ऑफ अफ्रीका से, वो स्पेन गया स्विम करते हुए, भाई हार्ड आदमी है
He is
यार.
getting into
हाँ
He
better shape.
swam from the
Yeah.
ब्रो दैट्स नट्स,
he's
इट्स, या इट्स सम
he
30
swam
ऑड
across
किलोमीटर्स
a
इफ आई एम
continent?
नहीं रे, तो यूरोप का एंड इधर है और अफ्रीका का एंड इधर, स्टेट ऑफ जिब्राल्टर है ना भाई बीच में.
I thought the other tip. I
नो,
Hmm.
thought
ही
the
डिडंट
bottom.
swim
He
from
went
Cape
to
of Good
Cape
Hope
of Good Hope तक.
टू देयर टू स्पेन.
यूरोप.
पब्लिक बोल रहे एक काम कर भाई, हॉर्मोस छोड़, मिलिंद सोमन को भेज, वही तेरा ऑयल टैंकर लेके आएगा. तो मिलिंद सोमन करते आ रहा है भाई, ऑयल टैंकर इंडिया के लिए लेके आ रहे हो यार, मोदी जी आप ले लो प्लीज, वर्क फ्रॉम होम मत बोलो लोगों को.
I genuinely thought that when you said, because you just said the tip of Africa, I said, bro, there's only one tip.
द नॉर्दर्न टिप.
The northern tip.
Oh fuck.
Not the
Oh
southern
bro,
tip. Northern tip.
I was very impressed for a moment. I'm still impressed, but I was more
स्टिल
impressed.
बेटर बी फकिंग इम्प्रेस होती है अपने से. इधर चला
I'm
मतलब 5 5 किलोमीटर, क्या है इधर, छोटा पूल नहीं हो रहा लोखंड वाला क्लब में स्विम
अबे
करने को,
yeah, yeah,
तू
yeah.
पॉटहोल में अपना नी घुमा दे, अपना एंकल घुमा दिया है.
That's true. That's
तू
true.
पॉटहोल में
That's
स्विम
true.
नहीं
My
कर पा
my
रहा है.
My physical age is probably older than Milind Soman's physical age.
You
और
can't get from one
he
end of
is
the
younger
pothole to
than
the
on
other.
up our age तीनों का मिलाएगा ना और then also you try and do we'll still be less this than him next level
Okay,
क्या
wait, I have
लेके
to tell you
जाता है
about
भाई
the story. Okay, so story क्या है कि 1945 में वर्ल्ड वॉर के बीचों बीच एक इंजीनियर था पर्सी स्पेंसर करके. तो पर्सी स्पेंसर गया था इज टू वर्क ऑन रेडार्स. तो
Hmm.
he went and he stood in front of an active magnetron. It's a vacuum tube that they had. So खड़ा है उधर and
Magnetron sounds
he
like
had
a
a
fucking transformer
thing you don't stand
or
next
like
to. I agree.
X-Men yeah
I agree. It doesn't sound like something that you should be standing next to. But no one told Percy that. तो पर्सी खड़ा हो गया उधर. तो पर्सी के पॉकेट में था चॉकलेट. So after
hmm.
he's stood, inconspicuously near Magnetron, he's gone. Then he's pulled out the chocolate to eat. And he said, अरे chocolate पिघल गया ये क्या हो गया भाई? So then he realized, oh, there's a connection between the magnetron and this chocolate melting. So he started testing it. So then he took popcorn kernels, and gap magnetron के पास pop हो गया. बोला fuck. So then he got an egg. अंडा लेके आया. अंडा भी बेगो. So he's like, dude, क्या चल रहा है magnetron? So so then he basically
ये
realized.
ये चूते का काम धंधा नहीं है Rose, maybe what will you eat for lunch today? Whatever is in your pocket, or on your way to work, just grab something, put it in your pocket. Apparently, gets cooked. क्या बना है इसने?
मैगी डाल रहा है जेब में.
मैगी डाल रहा है, चावल डाल दिया, सूखा चावल, थोड़ा पानी डाल दे भाई अंदर. ऐसे फूक रहा है. Sir, is that rice in your pants? Are you happy to see me?
तो basically he realized that magnetron से निकल रहा था microwave which was
Wave,
cooking
yeah.
the food. So that's how he invented the microwave.
So
No,
this
he
this
did.
dude,
He discovered the microwave and then he invented the microwave.
then he
Both.
invented. No, but so
But
this guy has spent seems like a lot of time shoving shit in his pocket, which is in his pelvic area, while standing next to a fucking magnetron,
One second.
giving
तो
out
हर चीज वो
microwave
अपने
and
पॉकेट
some
में
form
डालता
of
है.
कुछ तो एक पैसा रेडिएशन होगा ना उसमें से
One
कुछ तो
second. You are
होगा.
saying हर चीज अपने पॉकेट में डाल रहा है वो. पॉपकॉर्न भी अपने पॉकेट में डाल के लेके जा रहा है.
No, man.
बट एक मिनट अगर यही चीज था तो ये चूते एक मिनट एक प्लेट पे डाल के रख देना मैग्नेट्रॉन के बाजू में. तू अपना मतलब लार्जर क्रॉच एरिया मैग्नेट्रॉन के बाजू में खड़ा है अभी उसके
No, no,
नहीं चल रहे नेगेटिव स्पर्म काउंट है उसका अभी.
he placed it in front of the device. He didn't put it in his pocket.
पॉकेट
सर
हाँ
बच्चे नहीं हो रहे हैं मेरे, लेकिन पॉपकॉर्न मस्त बन रहा है.
पॉपकॉर्न मस्त बन रहा है.
So you think we would have defeated Germany earlier if this fucker wasn't putting popcorn in front of the radar.
हाँ कि भाई बता शिप किधर है? सर शिप का तो पता नहीं लेकिन सर ये आप खा के देखिए जरा प्लीज. अबे साले इतना पैसा दिया तुझे, तुम्हें इन्वेस्ट किया है.
सर
जर्मन
अंडा
वॉरशिप हम लोग को अनडिटेक्टेड आ रहे हैं हमारे एयर स्पेस में.
So wait. So the other problem with this guy was when he first initially invented the microwave, so now the microwave is contained, right, to the box in which it's held.
ओ
But
पहले तो
back in
ऐसे
the
पब्लिक ऐसे चल रहा खाना खाना कैसे बन गया भाई, मैं तो अभी सब्जी लेकर आया मार्केट से. सब लोग का ऐसे पॉटलक चालू है सब लोग का. अरे भाई क्या हो रहा है, खाना बनते जा.
So the thing was that back in the day, the range of the microwave was 6 feet. तो तू चालू किया तो anything within 6 feet.
चूते बाजू वाले का खाना बन रहा है. अरे अरे फिर से रोटी, अरे मैंने नहीं बनाई, कैसे बनी? अरे वो साले 1701 ने माइक्रोवेव चालू
वहां
कर
पे एक
दिया.
आदमी
उसका 6 feet करके.
घर पे सूप पी रहा है और फूकते जा रहा है. अरे सूप ठंडा ही नहीं हो रहा है यार. वो पीने की कोशिश कर रहा है.
गरम गरम. अरे आपने पिया कि नहीं? हाँ बस अभी पी लूंगा. तो ये दूसरा फ्रिज कैसा हुआ? फ्रिज किधर जाके खड़ा हुआ हो?
नहीं फ्रिज नहीं.
फिर
I've
इधर
got
गर्म हो गया ना, फिर एक दूसरे जगह पे हाइपर मैग्नेट्रॉन के पास जाके खड़ा हुआ और वहां से एकदम ठंडा हो गया. बोला अरे भाई
ठंडा हुआ रहा.
एक
The
साइड
fridge.
माइक्रोवेव एक साइड फ्रिज.
the fridge. Fridge नहीं, but the air conditioner, which I think was the precursor to creating what the fridge was. The air conditioner was made to cool the printing press.
हाँ क्या बोल रहा है बता. और
So printing press, so they were using chilled water moving through heating coils, which was meant to control the temperature and the humidity. And actually, because paper, you have to be very careful. You have to keep it as dry as possible, but also the machine is getting hot. So they invented this to actually cool the printing press. And while they're in the room, they're like, fuck, room भी ठंडा हो रहा है काफी अच्छा. तो खाली
All
ये
right,
निकाल के.
all right. Okay, Adar, we are going further back. Now,
हाँ
fridge was invented to cool printing press.
हाँ.
Now we'll find out how printing press was invented.
Yes. बाप
बता
उसका
रे
बाप उसका बाप.
तो
प्रिंटिंग प्रेस का
तो
ओरिजिन स्टोरी बता.
तो बेसिकली अपना जोहान्स था ना, जोहान्स. तो
कौन
तो
कौन है अपना जोएंस?
गुटनबर्ग.
अपना जोएंस कौन है?
अरे
तेरा होगा.
अपना जोहान्स, जोहान्स गुटनबर्ग यार,
अरे
जोहान्स गुटनबर्ग.
गुटेनबर्ग. हाँ.
गुटनबर्ग.
हाँ. तो Gutenberg, he was a inventor and a businessman. Okay, he really was always, his mind was always on the lookout कि क्या बनाऊं और फिर उससे पैसा कमाऊं. तो बहुत टाइम से he had been trying to create the prototype for the printing press, but he just met failure after failure. Right? He
हम्म.
just wasn't able to crack it. So one day, presumably to take a break from his relentless failures, he went to a winery, right? And he saw how wine was being made. तो उसने देखा कि the press that they were using to make the wine, right? As he's watching it, he's
The
like,
press that they were using to make the wine, मतलब वाइन प्रिंट हो रही थी.
हाँ लाइक वो केचप
सब लोग पेपर चाट रहे. हाँ. Which is
नहीं
this is
वाइन
Bordeaux.
वाइन
Yes, it's
स्लाइसेस.
Pinot Grigio. चाट रहे पेपर.
पिनो
no, but
पिनो नहीं
other is
खानो.
right.
It's wine slices.
So we have to talk about that also. Hold on 1 second. So he has seen wine press. Okay, the press was used to press the grapes ताकि
ग्रेप्स.
wine
अच्छा पहले हम लोग
ताकि
तो पैर से
हाँ
करते
मुझे
थे ना,
लगा
हम लोग
खड़े
एक
रह के
इसमें
हाँ वो
बैठ
लोग
के.
अरे
नाचते हैं
but
सब
हाँ.
कुछ वो करते हैं उसमें.
bro, it isn't just that, no? Like on
ओह
industrial quantities, you can't just have guys nattering on it, right? So
25
they had
आदमी आ रहे
invented.
हैं. रोज
ये
25 आदमी बिना पैर
ट्रायल्स
धोए.
ट्रायल ते सुला सुला में कैसे लग रहा है भाई? 25,000 लोग रोज सुबह उठते.
आधा पूना आधा
अंबारीले,
पूना जा रहा है सुला वाइन यार्ड्स
अंबारीले.
पे.
अम्बाला. जल्दी
So,
जल्दी जल्दी तू वाइन पी ले.
so they basically so they were pressing the grapes, okay, to extract
हम्म.
the juice. So he saw it and he's like, bro, this is what I've been looking for all my life. So he said, सोचो अगर ये ग्रेप हटा के मैं पेपर डालूं तो क्या
दिस
होएगा.
इज ग्रेट इंडियन कॉमेडी शो लाफ्टर चैलेंज. जोक प्रेमिस फॉर रॉफ लाला. सोचो अगर तशरीफ को दिल कहते हैं और दिल को तशरीफ कहते हैं. और
या
ही यूज्ड टू
क्या.
रीड मूवी टाइटल्स एंड जस्ट रिप्लेस दिल विद तशरीफ. तशरीफ तो पागल है. तशरीफ वाले तशरीफ ले जाएंगे.
अरे अपना अपना जोहैन भी तो वैसा ही था यार.
मस्त. तो उसने
So
क्या
अपना
पेपर डाल
जोहैन.
दिया उसमें.
So and that's the other key thing between all these inventors slash innovators is that they have a mind that can see a different potential in the same thing.
और
Right?
इनिशियली
So
वो वाइन से ही कर रहा था सब कुछ. तो सारा का सारा पेपर रेड ही निकल रहा था. तो उसने थोड़ा काला इंक भी बनाना
तो
चाहिए.
तो भाई ने उठाया वो कॉन्सेप्ट और हटाया ग्रेप, डाला पेपर और बना दिया प्रिंटिंग प्रेस. So that's
भाई
how.
पब्लिक क्या देख के क्या निकालते हैं.
So for example, another dude again,
हम्म.
and here, another lesson. If you want to be inventor, innovator, you have to be an obsessive about ridiculous things. Because oftentimes, in the search of something very particular, you find out something very interesting, right? So, for example, there was this dude who loved his main passion in life was structural integrity. Okay,
क्या
he's
सैड
just
आदमी है भाई. इसको पैशन पैशन. आई मीन यू लाइक
passion.
स्ट्रक्चरल इंटेग्रिटी बट दैट्स योर पैशन. मेरे को
अरे,
चीजें
he's like,
जॉइन होकर रहनी चाहिए.
so he's
आप
like, bro,
हमारे आगे
I
ब्रिज बनाओ
really,
प्लीज.
he wanted to make things that could like withstand pressure and just not like, be like strong and nice. So this dude eventually, in after years and years of looking, he basically found this one container that he was like, oh, chumma, this is the best thing I've ever seen in my life. This container that he found, it used to be used to it was used for industrial storage for hazardous materials. So when they had something very hazardous, they would dump it in this container and they would lock it. Right? And so he looked at it, he's like, bro, this is amazing because this container is so good कि hazardous material भी उसका कुछ बिगाड़ नहीं पा रहा है. So इसने बोला ठीक है, मैं उसको यूज करूंगा चिप्स बेचने के लिए. So
Pringles.
the Pringles, can was basically created out of Frederick Bauer's obsession to create a can that had such enormous structural integrity that none of the chips could get damaged. And he basically took the inspiration from a canister that was used to hold industrial grade hazardous materials.
ओ मेरे को लगा ये
So,
बट
टेनिस
ये
बॉल
फिर
वाला था, मालूम है एक ऐसा था ना,
हाँ
वो
वो भी yeah.
टेनिस बॉल वाला भी देख के उन्होंने किया था
But
ना
I
कि
think, yeah, I thought this is the story that is being shared everywhere because you think these guys wanted to make tennis balls, and that was the standard thing in which tennis balls are created. And instead of the potatoes, sorry, instead of the
ए
raw
पर ये
material, potatoes showed up.
दे
And इन
वांटेड
लोग
टू
ने
मेक
बना
टेनिस बॉल, जैसे फक इट, चिप्स
हाँ
डालते हैं इसमें
हम चिप्स बनाएंगे इसमें. This was the
सर,
story.
लेकिन हमारे पास 400 किलो रबर है सर, उससे चिप्स नहीं
अबे
बनेगा।
रबर नहीं, रबर की जगह आलू आ गए. तो उन लोगों ने बोला फक इट, हम आलू बनाएंगे क्यों, आलू तो खराब
ब्रो
हो जाएगा नहीं
फक,
तो.
क्या क्या सैंडविचेस देता हूँ तेरे को इस पे, तेरे को उनमें चिप्स कैसे बना, potato chips. So
हाँ
basically, there was
potato.
a restaurant where this guy used to go, and he had called for, he had complained saying that the chopped potatoes that were fried were very thick. He used to keep complaining about it. So chef one day when he came out of anger said, "तेरे को पतला चाहिए ये ले," तो उसने एकदम पतली काटा to fuck
No,
with him कि ये
गुस्से
इतना काफी है क्या तेरे लिए, तो वो करके
हाँ
बोला भाई ये तो बाप सी,
अरे होश
उसका नाम था मिस्टर लेज।
ओ
जस्ट
नो
किडिंग।
मैन अरे यार आदर तू
अरे
बट
यार
ये सच
गुस्से
है,
हम
कर रहा है
स्टोरी
अबे
स्टोरी
इतना
फॉर चिप इज ट्रू, इट्स नॉट मिस्टर ले।
अरे बिकॉज भाई इट्स ऑल अबाउट द स्टोरी ना. आई एम गेटिंग फूल्ड बिकॉज द
agreed
स्टोरी इज इंटरेस्टिंग. सो
agreed agreed
there's this
agreed
Belgian
okay
TV show. This Belgian TV show did this. They took a €3 Belgian wine, which is the lowest of the
oh yeah
lowest tutty wine. And what they did was they created a story. They changed the label. They gave it from insane artwork. मतलब वो very typical like oh this is a boutique from एक छोटा सा vineyard,
वाइट
very
लेबल
exclusive.
ब्लैक टेक्स्ट,
हाँ नहीं
दैट्स
इसमें
इट,
हाँ
कीप इट
white
सिंपल।
label with black text and one pigeon on it. Very
and
very
a
very French.
unfinished hand-drawn illustration it's
Yeah. It's
unfinished
literally
but it's
that.
hand-drawn
It's that's what they did.
yeah
और
And
थोड़ा मिट्टी
then
लगा दे उस पे ऐसे ऐसे कि अरे अब भी निकाले, हम लोग खुद के निकाला।
and then they paid the so they create and it was called the Chateau Colombier.
शाटू
Le
भैंस
Chateau.
चोद, इन लोगों का हर चीज शाटू तो हुआ है, शाटू नहीं हुआ तो मैं नहीं चाटू।
tattoo
शाटू।
They
हाँ
invented a story for the winery. Okay, this goes back. It's been
हाँ।
it's been slow aged in oak barrel. जो भी वो बकवास बनाया उन लोग ने पूरा story. And they got
स्लो एज मींस
Belgian.
टाइम गोज एज पर टाइम, यू
Yeah.
कांट स्लो डाउन टाइम फर्दर टू स्लो एज दिस, इटल एज।
So बेल्जियम का टॉप सोमालियर का उन लोग ने एंडोर्समेंट भी लिया उसको पैसे देके कि वी आर पुलिंग दिस गैग. तो सोमालियर का एंडोर्समेंट भी आया वाइन के नीचे. एंड देन दे एंटर्ड द
खतरनाक
वाइन इनटू अ कंपटीशन इन फ्रांस. That €3 wine. So far the wine hasn't changed. Bartley same है बस cover and story change किया है. It got 88 points and secured the gold medal out of all the $10,000 bottles of wine on that competition.
and other you have in one anecdote justified all the spends in marketing departments across every company in the entire world कि
या
प्रोडक्ट टीम गया भाड़ में
हाँ
क्योंकि जब अपन थोड़ा पैकेजिंग नहीं किया ना तो तुम लोग कुछ घंटा कुछ पब्लिक को समझ में आना है
शाटो डे
बाय द
फाटो
वे
सीधा।
स्पीकिंग ऑफ पुअर like I'll tell you the opposite of this
hmm.
company that didn't want its name on the product so Hitachi in 1968 Hitachi in Japan they decided ki bro public public is tense sedentary lifestyle has set in the modern man is quite is quite
मॉडर्न मैन इज
stiff
लुकिंग एंशिएंट।
so
हाँ वो
so they
बॉट
said bro you know what modern man needs is he needs a neck massager तो इन्होंने बना दिया neck massager so the thing was it was a Hitachi magic wand so it was a therapeutic vibrating massager तो
और पब्लिक
pretty
ने उसको किधर और डाल दिया।
pretty soon Poor Hitachi. Hitachi starts noticing his sales are going through the roof, but people's neck problems are not going down.
ये हिताची नहीं है, शिताची हो गया है.
हाँ.
So they realize, bro, क्या चल रहा है? So then they also found out that magic wand has become synonymous with adult. It became the world's premier adult toy. Okay, and became like a byword for vibrator.
Hey,
So
have you hit your Tachi? Have you hit your Tachi today?
For
Sorry.
the
So-
longest time, I thought Hitachi was a Maharashtrian company. Hitachi.
Hitachi company.
So
So-
half of Japanese products sound like that, bro.
So this poor Japanese company that just wanted to solve people's neck problems they're mortified, right? Executives are just like they're clutching all their pearl all of this is happening, and they said, "भाई, product तो बेचते रहेंगे पर नाम हटा दो." So which is why they dropped the Hitachi name and only
They called
Magic
it they called it Sony,
So
but with an I.
Wand.
You know, अभी
So-
चल तू
ये
adult toy की बात कर रहा था.
एक
I'll
एडल्ट
tell
टॉय
you about
है
a
मेरे पास
toy.
स्टोरी. हाँ बता.
हाँ. Since we were on the subject of toy, it's an adult toy, as in like adults can play with it also. It's not sexual. So you know the
Oh.
origin of the frisbee. So basically in the 60s, there was a bakery, okay, which used to give pies, and their container was that shape. So after you're done eating the pie, the students would just throw it at each other.
हाँ.
And a toy maker saw this, and then they invented, which is now a multi-billion-dollar thing, huh? Frisbees.
Of
What is
course.
it?
Yeah.
Frisbee.
Frisbee.
Oh.
It was named after the bakery that gave you those pies in that container that students would throw at each other at a university में. और वहां से बना फ्रिस्बी ब्रो. मजा आता है लेकिन फ्रिस्बी खेलते हैं कि नहीं? क्या
Yeah,
सिंपल है ब्रो.
I've not played since I was 9 years old, man. Shit.
भाई
नहीं,
फ्रिस्बी इज अ
स्कूल
लॉट
में
ऑफ
क्या?
फन. अरे अभी समर आएगा ना तो समर में चालू करते हैं. अभी तुम लोग आओ एंड वी विल प्ले फ्रिस्बी. वी विल मेक
हाँ, तेरे
कौतुक sprain his
पास
ankle.
जगह है उधर. तेरे पार्क में जाके हम लोग फ्रिस्बी फेंक सकते हैं. इधर फ्रिस्बी
Yeah,
कहाँ
but-
फेंकू कहाँ मैं? It'll decapitate fucking somebody walking. Since we are talking about sex toys, sex related, you know how
हाँ.
Viagra was found?
Yeah, this is my
अरे एक
The
आदमी
only
था
thing I know
कश्मीर
about
में
Viagra.
शिलाजीत बेच रहा था एंड ही वाज लाइक अरे
नहीं,
इसको
तो
मैं
basically
powdered-
Viagra was initially used to, it was being tested for
Ah.
heart medication.
Ah.
तो हार्ट मेडिकेशन तो नहीं हुआ, लेकिन पब्लिक ने
नहीं।
नोटिस किया एक बहुत ही बाप साइड इफेक्ट,
और
which is also
देखो,
now in turn causes
ब्लड
heart
तो
attack.
पंप हो रहा है.
हाँ.
ब्लड तो पंप हो रहा है.
हाँ,
अभी
but
किधर
bro-
जा रहा है ब्लड और किधर
बट बहुत बूढ़े पब्लिक में ये भी हुआ है ना, वायग्रा ले लिया, देन दे डाइड आउट ऑफ हार्ट
attack.
दिस. सो समथिंग दैट वाज मेड फॉर हार्ट एज हार्ट मेडिकेशन, थॉट टू हैव मेड फॉर इट, becomes a sex
Ended up-
thing and then leads to heart problem.
Yeah.
In some cases.
like I'll give you another one like this. So basically, during World War II, they had like scientists had basically looked at this one toxin. Okay, this bacteria this bacteria produces this one particular deadly toxin, and it was being used, it was studied to be used as a biological weapon in World War II. But then in 1970s, doctors began using very small doses of it to treat cross-eyed patients by relaxing the eye muscles. Okay, but what they noticed is that it didn't help with the eyes. But
Okay.
when they put those tiny doses of this toxin, the crow's feet magically disappeared. And the thing that
Arey.
they discovered was
Botox.
Botox.
Botox is a combination of botulinum toxin. So it started off as a biological weapon, then it became medicine, then it became cosmetic procedure.
Weapon.
So, but so, but सोच ना कि तू like you've gone in to get corrective eye surgery, but you come out looking super youthful. Public and people in your life are like, यार तेरा जो ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा है वो
तेरे आँख
किस
ठीक है,
चीज़-
तेरा नाक को क्या हो गया, और तेरा तुझे ग्लो
तो
अप
yeah,
कैसा हो गया
you're-
तेरे को भाई?
yeah, you're looking
कौन है
40
तेरा
years
eye
younger,
doctor?
यार.
मुझे
then
भी
you know
लेके
people are
अरे
चल।
just
तूने अपने आँख की सर्जरी
going
कराई है
to
और मेरी आंखें अलग हो गई है जस्ट
no but people just lined up कि सर मेरा भी आँख देख लो ना थोड़ा मेरे को यहाँ भी देख लो थोड़ा यहाँ ये यहाँ तो सर डाल ही दो
डाल ही दो। ये बता मैं लोग हिल ही नहीं
Yeah.
पाते
भाई
भाई
वो
पब्लिक।
this is the worst man it's the and it sounds different like when you start talking this here I'm trying to like public का जो ये stiff होता है I don't know why like it's bizarre
Okay, now I've got a few that you should listen to, but this is about my favorite, one of my favorite things. Okay, favorite drinks. So in 1988, there was this lady called, and I love this name, Lin Hisui Hui. Lin
हाँ
Hisui, Lin Hisui Hui. Hsiuhui.
वसुई।
Hisui Hui.
हम्म
Hisui Hui. So Lin Hui Hui was a product development manager at a tea house in Taiwan. So बैठी है वो अभी अपने इट्स अ जॉब इज अ जॉब यार सो
हम्म
प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट मैनेजर है बैठी है देयर इज अ स्टाफ मीटिंग दैट्स गोइंग ऑन एट दिस टी हाउस ओके इन ताइवान
हम्म
तो सर पकड़ के बैठी है या बोर हो रहा है उसको सो व्हाइल शी इज गेटिंग बोर्ड शी इज गॉट दिस आइस्ड Assam tea okay with her and she
हम्म
happened to have like this there was a so it's a common dessert there which is a tapioca pudding
हम्म
उसने बोला I'm fried in this goddamn staff meeting you know just out of like fiddling around she took the tapioca pudding and dumped it in her iced Assam tea
ए
और
बोबा
उसने बना दिया बोबा
बोबा।
so when she had it she's like dude I love it man this is amazing so सारे अपने staff को try कराया कि what do you feel oh, they are also like dude ये तो killer है so they said as an experiment we'll put it on the menu see what happens within months it was outselling everything that they had ever made before so
हम्म
apparently that's how the bubs came
तो
about
बोबा
now
ताइवान से है fuck
yeah
yeah but
then
China will take the credit
देखो मालूम है द फ्रेज लाइक बिकॉज यू हैव ओरिजिन स्टोरीज ऑफ थिंग्स आल्सो दैट यू से ऑन अ
हाँ
डे टू डे बेसिस राइट।
yeah
यू नो हाउ द फ्रेज बाइट द बुलेट केम इन
someone
बिकॉज
bit it
I'm scared to
yeah
ask
literally because back in the day before anesthesia was invented if you're going through a procedure and you're going to pain you need to distract the patient so a lot of times they would actually have to bite a literal bullet क्योंकि
oh
बुलेट स्ट्रॉन्ग है तू बाइट कर और तेरा कुछ चल रहा है उधर साइड में तेरे चेन सॉ से प्रेगनेंसी हो रही है तो बुलेट बाइट कर। ये था
oh man
इनफैक्ट लाइक वन थिंग दैट अस लाइक performers know right we always tell अरे bro have a good show break a leg break a leg break a
हाँ
leg you know where that came from so basically it comes from the thing of I'll tell you the opposite of what I want should happen like because if I
correct
go
correct
and tell you you're going to have a great show तू मतलब तू नजर लगा रहा है right
हाँ
so let me while going tell you the opposite of what I want should happen that's why the term break a leg came in because obviously you don't want them to break a leg they you want them to do well but it came from a
Nazar is such a
su-
powerful concept universally.
superstition
Yeah. Also, I got to tell you about this. तो क्या हुआ कि 1916 में Mysore was a huge and still remains, but was then
hmm
also was a huge producer of sandalwood.
hmm
हाँ
But then World War One broke out.
and
ठीक
then
है,
Veerappan
so
came
no, so and then Pushpa came. And so basically, because he was producing sandalwood, now imagine this, okay? So 1916 World War breaks out, and much like how the Strait of Hormuz today is completely jammed, तो वैसे ही सारे भाई के एक्सपोर्ट रूट सारे ब्लॉक हो गए. तो
hmm
what happened is कि the Maharaja,
hmm
who was Maharaja Krishna Raja Wadiyar IV,
hmm
he's like, dude, I can't let all this sandalwood, just rot. So what he did is he decided to distill the oil from the sandalwood and he made soap. So that's how the
oh
Mysore sandal soap came
sandal
about.
soap
And yeah, and it
अबे
remains the only
शैम्पू भी
soap.
शैम्पू भी अपने इसमें से है ना इंडिया से इट्स
हाँ,
गॉट एंशियंट इंडियन
shampoo भी
ओरिजिन चंपी चंपू ऐसे
shampoo.
करके देन इट इवेंचुअली
a lot of
became
the
this
a
Yeah.
lot of the words is because British couldn't understand they and they just named it
Shampoo,
हाँ,
shampoo,
shampoo,
Hey,
shampoo.
shampoo.
No.
lot of them have Indian origins. Like even the phrase to butter someone up, where does that come from? It comes from ancient India, which was basically a customary religious act where the devotees would throw butter balls at the statue of their gods to seek favor and forgiveness and
Oh,
Oh.
luck. So that's where it comes from. Butter someone up. Cat got your tongue, bro.
So,
That also comes from a thing. Agar ancient Egypt, mein, it's got multiple iterations, but ancient Egypt, mein, agar you were punished by cutting off your tongue and your tongue was fed to the cats. So it's
yeah.
cat got your tongue. अगर तूने
Wow.
कुछ blasphemous बोला तो
So, by the way, you know which product has a strange World War II link?
hmm
So, 1939 में
hmm.
biscuits were really prized possessions because again, war.
हाँ.
So, what happened is that this one company created this biscuit which saw a huge spike in demand for World War during World War II as a very condensed and perfectly portable source of energy because these biscuits contained glucose,
Oh
ग्लूको अरे
shit.
and the biscuit is
पार्ले जी
Parle G.
पार्ले जी bro, that's again see war leading to something being created, right? एक चल अभी वॉर की बात करें तो saying, you know where the saying whole 9 yards come from? Go the whole 9 yards. Because soldiers in the planes were equipped with 9 yards of ammunition. फाइटर पायलट जो थे ना वर्ल्ड वॉर के टाइम पे प्लेन के ऊपर
Oh.
दिस 9 yards ऑफ एम्यूनिशन. तो फट 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 मारा यू वेन द होल 9 yards, मतलब तूने पूरा पूरा अपना एमो खत्म कर दिया, तू फाड़ के आया.
लड़ी
इज गॉन द
लड़ी
होल 9 yards.
Like,
Oh
okay,
man.
Juggernaut. Juggernaut actually came from Sanskrit,
Yeah,
which is
Jagannath
Jagannath.
temple.
Yeah, which is no, ha. So it's just another British guy not being able to pronounce Jagannath. Just
There's a
going
lot of these
Juggernaut.
eh, Indian origin words. By the way, you know the again one of our favorite drinks. Such a strange like origin story. So
Hmm.
basically, what happened is Coca-Cola came to India, and then in
Hmm.
1977, the basically there were regulations that they went to Coke and they said, भाई बता तो सही कि क्या है तेरा फॉर्मूला, क्या बेच रहा है तू यहाँ. सो कोक सेड
नहीं
सॉरी नॉट
बताएंगे.
गिविंग. हाँ नहीं बताएंगे. सो दे से ठीक है तो फिर आप चले जाओ जहाँ से आए थे.
Hmm.
तो कोक बाउंस्ड. नाउ देयर वाज अ ओपनिंग इन द मार्केट. तो चौहान ब्रदर्स दे बेसिकली सेड चल अपन बनाते हैं कोक बट विल मेक इट इंडियन कोक. तो इंडियन कोक में क्या 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 लगेगा. तो दो चीज तो
मसाले.
पहले मसाले डालेंगे अंदर और दूसरा डालेंगे पीस. So they literally just pumped it, made it fizzier and spicier. So the thumbs up that came
थम्स
out.
जो बहुत बहुत मैं बहुत एज के बाद मुझे मालूम पड़ा कि वो थम्स अप नहीं था.
हाँ
उसमें
हाँ
बी है
thumbs
ही
up
नहीं.
भी है
हाँ,
इट
ही
स्टिल
नहीं.
thumbs
हैड
up
इट
है.
हैड द
Thumbs up.
इट हैड अ थम्स अप का ऐसे इमेज, बट इट इज
Yeah,
नॉट विद अ बी. हम लोग
your
थम्स
mind
अप ही
just
बोलते
fills
थे.
in. Yeah, but it's
You
thumbs
think
up
मिसिंग लिंक
now.
somebody
डाल
made a
दे.
mistake?
अगेन वॉर लीडिंग टू इन्वेंशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. वर्ल्ड वॉर टू के टाइम पे यूएस इंपोर्टेड कोको कोला सिरप आना बंद हो गया था जर्मनी. तो दिले
It's
भाई
Fanta,
अपने
no?
इधर तो है नहीं तो खोलो फैंटा. It comes from
Oh,
German word
हाँ, वो तो
fantasy. And it's also
famously.
no, not just because उन लोगों को ये चाहिए था, but it's also to reuse stuff that is used in war. तो एप्पल पॉमेस को भी रीयूज करना है, ऐसे कुछ तो था. तो इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैड टू बी रीयूज. उन्होंने मिला के बना दिया ऑरेंज कलर का फांटा. फैंटास्टिक.
By the way, again, constraints leading to discoveries, right? So that's another like how to
नेसेसिटी
like
इज मदर ऑफ ऑल इन्वेंशन.
Hmm.
necessary. So Stan Lee wants to create a superhero.
Oh, yes.
And it's like, bro, I don't want the superhero to be associated with any specific ethnic group. So he said, I want the superhero to be gray in color. So the year is 1962. तो पहुंच गया है प्रिंटर के पास और बोला आई वांट ग्रे सुपर हीरो. Printer was like, sir, it's 1962. I'm sorry, but gray is really hard to keep consistent over pages. So when the thing came out, so half में he's gray, half में he's silver, half में he's some black muddy color. So by issue 2, Stanley has given up and said, what is the color we can actually just accurately produce? So he's like, sir, green try kar lo. So that's how Hulk became green in color.
Hard.
But a lot of this stuff was like that because like blue and red and blue were easier to make, so they used to like so Spider-Man ended up being that. A lot of the artist artwork was based on what was available in higher quantity and cheaper from the printer.
Hmm. Correct, correct,
Yeah.
correct. Because I also feel like the other thing that happens is we don't okay. Like here's one of my favorite sort of like how technology, inventions, everything just interlinks and creates a new world, right? So so if you look at the history of art, you will see that at one point, like they were just making portraits of people. They were making indoor portraits and things like that, right? Uh, and then suddenly at one point, you begin to see this explosion of scenic painting, right? Landscapes, uh, artists going out and painting in nature, right? So a lot of nature painting starts. And one of the reasons for that was because somebody invented the portable paint tube, the metal paint tube. So earlier they just couldn't go out because कैसे लाद के जाएगा तेरा सारा paint. So once that invention came, it just freed up the artists to go and paint in nature. So now they could do that. Right now, as they're mastering that, some dude invents the camera. एंड नाउ पेंटर्स गो लाइक शेट हम लोग तो यही यही तो परफेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे नाउ यू आर क्रिएटिंग द एब्सोल्यूट परफेक्ट मॉडल नाउ व्हाट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ मी so that's when the response by artists was that okay, if you can create the perfect image, we don't care about the perfect image. Now we will create about what we feel about the image. And so then they didn't start they stopped trying to render reality and started trying to capture impressions of what they saw in
Ah.
reality. So impressionism comes out,
So then the
and so on and so
photographer
forth.
started clicking
So
photos like this.
so basically the point being ki like how one technology frees you to do something and then another technology forces you to
So
create
what
something completely
what is the
different.
implication here with AI? Okay, AI has tried to okay गाना बनाते हम लोग AI is making faster,
Perfect
quicker,
song.
हाँ, perfect song. So now as many mistakes as you can create, that is art. That is what it is.
Yes. Can I tell you like so this I realized this exact insight I realized when I was in a trial room of Fab India. So Fab India trial
How?
room. I'll tell you. So
The
I'm in the
weirdest place to have an epiphany.
exactly. So I'm in the trial room of Fab India. I'm trying on a pajama. Okay. And as I'm trying on the pajama, right, I'm hopping on one foot and trying the pajama. And I happen to notice in front of me, they've put in the trial room, they had put this, they have these posters which are infographics that explain different types of Indian traditional sort of like, क्या बोलते हैं, clothing artwork styles. So this poster was about the Bandhani print. Okay, and one of the things that they had written there was you can tell that this is handmade because the patterns are not exact, right? So they have these human imperfections.
Ah.
And so then that's when I realized that humanity is synonymous with its imperfections. Is what makes something, it's the mistakes that make something truly like ours.
Yeah, like
And
Beatles tracks still have certain mistakes when somebody missed one drum thing.
yeah.
Like there are sounds where now when I go back and I look at videos sometimes, they found out that there was a point where the drumstick fell and there was a clank on the, and then they had to, and they've kept it in the original recording because that recording had so much life in it. So they're like, no, we're keeping the
So
mistake.
here's another crazy thing that I love. I love this insight. So basically, this is about so everything that you hate about your technology right now eventually ends up becoming its most represented facet. For example, back in the day when people used to, like for example, the record scratch,
Yeah.
right? That was a negative of the record. Or like for
Uh,
example, the television static, right? That was a negative for us. कि fuck, television काम नहीं कर रहा है इसलिए static है. But now in the present day, we almost associate that technology with its greatest mistake. So, for example, when people try to create a VCR effect, right? They replicate the the sort of the flaws
Yeah, yeah.
in the visual to give it that thing. And it's the flaws that actually become the representative of the technology.
That's what I mean
So
by super high def 8K screens now. It's not you're adding film grain after shooting something in
yeah,
8K.
yeah, yeah. So you're basically you're
Yeah,
all the limitations of the things that you were working with became the trademarks of the things as time
Yeah,
went on.
that's like, even
So
in clothes, right? When you have that, like when clothes look better when they are worn in, you know what I mean? So
mm,
you make this new thing, but then you make it also look like it's worn. To dekhega,
yeah,
so many of these brands have like fucking thousand, two
washed
thousand
that
dollar
washed look.
sneakers. But that
yeah.
Yeah,
sneaker looks like तू उसको 4 साल से पहन रहा है, लेकिन
घिस रहा
उसका
है.
देखो मैं डबल चार्ज
Yeah.
करूंगा. ये भाई
Yeah,
मार्केटिंग. तुमको गूगल का तो स्टोरी
marketing.
मालूम है ना कैसा आया गूगल.
Gogol.
So their idea was to call it Gogol, which is 100 zeros, right?
Yeah.
That was the idea. But जब वो register कर रहे थे name, किसी ने Google register किया. So it was a mistake while registering, but that name stuck. तो बोला Google क्यों, Google ज्यादा अच्छा है. And it stuck. That's what it says.
And वो में तो और डालते जा सकते हैं
Wow.
for new pages.
Yeah, that idea came from Google ना, अपना जो
एक था again from
कौन सा
that
पिक्चर है वो.
film theory. Why those old photographs that you're saying, like there's a certain there was a certain life to old photographs and stuff like that, or movies that were shot previously versus now, whether it looks a little office, it looks a little flat.
Flat. No,
Yeah,
that's coming from
because
OTT का requirements of how they want shit to be done.
yes, but also this the biggest change. Okay, the movie Drive is the biggest one. Ryan Gosling movie Drive. Why that movie looks different from any other movie in LA is
Yeah,
because
because of the
that was the
sodium vapor वाला
last
ना,
movie. Yeah, that was
yellow.
the last movie to be shot with street lights that were still
Oh,
sodium street lights, and then
yeah.
they replaced them
So,
all with LEDs. And all of a
yeah,
sudden, the cinematic quality of natural lighting in that environment went away.
yeah.
Check.
In fact, ये सबसे ज्यादा कब दिखता था मालूम है? When it was West Berlin and East Berlin. तो if the ऊपर वाला जब स्पेस से जब शॉट देखेगा ना, you could see two completely different sides because Russian side was sodium vapor और दूसरे side was तो देखो बीच में proper line दिख रहा है, and you can see two different areas just by the kind of light that was used.
Distinct. सही.
और कुछ है मजेदार कि
एक
इसको
लास्ट है
अपन करें एक
guys,
और.
do you
हाँ.
know where old monk what is the origin story of old monk? Why is it so revered?
Because when you're in college, you get introduced to it by a senior, and then it's mostly the thing you can afford, and it goes well with Coke, and sometimes with Thumbs Up, and then form lasting memories. And your friends and you now have a
But
thing
by
that you do
taste,
every Friday.
unbeatable taste.
So the taste
Unbeatable
is great
taste.
with vanilla, coconut, and spices. But what is,
Oh,
yes, but what? So this is the story. So it was inspired by the monks who used to brew their own liquor.
mm.
So these monks used to, after you touring Europe, and this guy saw those monks making their own liquor, and this guy brought that process to India. And and the thing is, when they were making that, there was a British monk that they had gotten as a consultant, and the British monk was helping them. And when he died, they say that his memory and his ghost still haunts the barrels in which old monk is still aged.
Oh, it's a literal and figurative spirit.
And
Come
that's a
Spirit.
on,
Come
bullshit story
on.
that the brand has come up with to create
Yes,
this
Chai.
whole thing.
of
This is a
course.
bullshit story that they created, and they kept fueling the fire.
The story should
अरे
have been 120 रुपए में तुम लोग चार लौंडे बैठ के कैसे मजा कर सकते हो without
Yeah,
feeling like you're having rocket fuel. Old
yeah.
monk. इसको
Old
डालो
monk.
थोड़ा
नहीं,
कोक
अच्छा
के
है, रॉकेट
साथ,
फ्यूल
एक
है, अच्छा है.
नींबू निचोड़ो, डालो आइस और साइड में पाइसी चखने के साथ खाओ और लाइफ जियो.
Bro, by the way, can I tell you, I just saw something. I was so like amazed by the sheer audacity of the marketing. तो किसी ने एल्यूमिनियम कैन में ऐसे
हाँ.
एक एल्यूमिनियम कैन बनाया है और उस पे लिखा है बस पानी और बेच रहा है बस पानी और पब्लिक उठा के Oh,
कौन बेचता है बस
Pepsi.
पानी?
कोई तो ब्रांड है, they made
हाँ, बस
बस
पानी
पानी.
है, जस्ट वाटर
Imagine.
भी है, प्लस लिक्विड डेथ इज जस्ट वाटर.
Just what? There you go.
ब्रो
There you
एक इन
go.
लोग के पास है ना
Beautiful.
स्मार्ट वाटर, देयर इज अ स्मार्ट वाटर,
हम्म.
इट्स
Oh
वाटर
God.
विद ब्लूटूथ.
Oh,
या
तो
I've
क्या
always
अंदर
wanted
जाता है
it.
तेरे?
तू पानी पीता है तेरा एयरपोर्ट्स कनेक्ट हो जाता है और तेरे को सुनाई देता है तेरा पानी कैसे जा रहा है अंदर, किधर किधर जा रहा है. जस्ट साउंड लाइक.
By speaking of water, this now they've started because now at one point it's like, what else can we do?
अरे यू वांट टू नो
To
ओरिजिन
make.
स्टोरी ऑफ वाटर? क्या हुआ ना,
हाँ, एक
हाँ.
हाइड्रोजन एटम आया था.
अरे फक ब्रो, लोग ऐसे घूम रहे थे, फिर बोला, अरे ऑक्सीजन, अरे कैसा है, इन्होंने
हाँ.
हाई
अच्छा,
फाइव
चल
किया और
थ्रीसम करते हैं और
ओए,
अटक गए सब
अरे
लोग. हाँ,
क्या बन
देख.
गया अपन भाई, ये क्या है.
It was a
पहले
covalent
बार.
bond. Yeah.
Guys, where else will
बस.
you get such in-depth
For more,
analysis
more such insights.
or more such insights? Tune into yet another episode of the Internet Said So next week. आज के episode में इतना ही. Obviously, there is a whole bunch of stuff. I think we'll need
Yeah. If you have something
multiple.
else, write it down, then we'll
Yeah.
like look at it and we'll do an episode 2
What
of
is
this.
what for you guys is the craziest origin story you've heard of something? It doesn't have to be an
Hmm.
invention. It could be a saying. It could be food. It could be
हाँ.
fucking anything. तो अगर आप
अपने
लोग के
बाप
पास कुछ
दादा का
मजेदार है.
स्टोरी मत बताना, बट इफ इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग
हाँ,
we'll read your grandfather story also. What is your grandfather's
depends.
Yeah,
origin story?
you know, as you were saying this ना ठाकुर, I just realized कि 300 एपिसोड हो गए. We should learn कि अपना पब्लिक ना, they never take what we ask them to put in comment seriously. तो
They
अगर वो
used
पूछेगा
to. They used to at
no
one
no
point.
give me an origin story, they'll be like fuck your origin story. But if you say, hey, please write, I am Pata Abba Patar Hage,
पोठोले,
they'd be like
पोठोले.
yes. So
ठीक है, कुछ भी करो, as long as तुम लोग हम लोग को एंगेजमेंट दे रहे हो, तो
Hmm.
कोई
correct.
भी टाइप की रिंग चलेगी अपने को, as long as रिंग है.
Just give us the engagement.
Oh,
Yeah.
correct.
Chalo, must. All right, that
So
was it from this
please,
episode of the Internet Said So. We'll see you again next week. Until then, it's goodbye. Take care. Tata. Salamesh. टिकट खरीदो, टिकट खरीद लो, नीचे लिंक है मस्त पे की.
actually मत खरीदो, खरीदो ही
हाँ, मत
मत.
खरीदो मत. Don't buy
मत
ticket.
खरीदो. अरे
क्या
छोड़ो
मत
यार,
खरीदो, क्या मत खरीदो, क्या
छोड़ो.
अबे
अरे
छोड़ो
ठाकुर,
क्यों,
अगर
तू
तू
क्या अकेले
बोलेगा,
जाके बैठेगा?
अबे तू बोलेगा तो नहीं
तो
होगा.
उल्टा
अगर तू
उल्टा,
नहीं
अरे
होगा,
ब्रेक अ लेग
हाँ,
गाइस, ब्रेक अ
break a
लेग,
leg.
ब्रेक अ लेग. टेयर द टिकट गाइस, टेयर द टिकट.
हाँ,
फाड़
खरीद के फाड़ दो सारा
हाँ,
टिकट.
just set
ओके.
it, like buy hundreds of them and set them on fire.